So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Pfizer stock, ticker symbol PFE here in Canada using Questrade. So you open up the Questrade app. Once you're here, go to the bottom left, press on buy/sell, or the top right where the search icon is. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol PFE for Pfizer. Here at the top, Pfizer Incorporated, press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom left, press on buy. Now once you're here, either type in the quantity or you can go to the dollar amount, type in the dollar amount. Once that is done, press the green next button and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Pfizer stock, ticker symbol PFE in Canada using Questrade. Thanks again for watching and hope this video helps.